Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So today I have a very special Christmas unboxing from a company called Horrornaments. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay YouTube, so I was sitting in my easy chair looking on Facebook and I constantly see these ads. Horrornaments, Horrornaments. I see them on Instagrams, I see them everywhere, and I'm like, man, what the hell are these Horrornaments? I gotta find out for myself. So I went and followed the little link, clicked on it, and it took me to a website. And oh, I was so happily surprised. You guys know I like to make my own ornaments, sort of like a traditional, handmade ornaments and stuff for the tree. Well, we got a bunch here already. So I went ahead and ordered 10 of these guys. So if we unbox them, they came so fast. Like, I think I ordered them on a Monday, and like on Wednesday morning, they were on my doorstep. So I thought that was pretty crazy cool. So it looks like they come in boxes already. Here's a little spider. We'll take these out. We've got a little Cthulhu skull, which I think is really cool. That was this is a magnet. This isn't an ornament, it's a magnet. So I thought that's really awesome. I think I did order some magnets. I think I mixed and matched. That's right, little man, magnets. Okay, we've got a evil owl. I thought, oh man, gotta have that. 'Cause I think I've got an owl on the tree somewhere, but you can always have two evil owls. Okay, we ordered this is a great one. The Thanksgiving turkey that looks like a zombie. I thought that was totally awesome. It was like this first one that went in my cart. I thought that was great. Let's see, we've got some more packing material. Wow, they pack really good. So far, I'm loving this stuff. Okay. Gotta have us a Yeti, and I got a little project in mind for this guy coming up pretty soon, so I thought he was pretty awesome. I grabbed him, and they're really reasonable. These guys are like, I think, $12 a piece. Some of the ornaments were $10 a piece. This one is the Shrunken head ornament. You guys know I love me some shrunken heads. I've got like, I don't know, 15, 16 of them. I can't get enough. So if you get 10, 20 shrunken heads, get 21. So I got me a shrunken head ornament for the tree as well. We got a couple more in the bottom. Okay, they got a really cool vintage series, which I thought was awesome. I love these guys. They're awesome. Check out that guy. A bright orange skull. That is super freaking cool and vintage looking. It looks like I've got one more in the box. Oh, they're pulling a little cobwebs trick on me. They spoofed me and threw a roach in the box. I hear you, Ornaments. That's pretty cool. Alright, we got one more of these little guys. And we got the gentleman bat. How freaking cool is that, man? A bat in front of an orange moon? Can't beat it. Let's crack these guys open and take a look at them up close. Okay, YouTube, so I've got everything unboxed, and man, I was pleasantly surprised. I did notice that there is an actual vintage horror ornaments section that's on the box. So that's pretty cool. There's an extra little section that's vintage ornaments, minus regular creepy everyday stuff. So I was really happy to see that every ornament that I unwrapped came completely wrapped in bubble wrap, which is awesome. I love that because you can go ahead and store your ornaments after Christmas right back in the same box they came in, and you've got the wrapping to put them back in, which is awesome. But I want to start off first with the vintage ornaments, which I thought was super cool, and on the back it even says Vintage Horrornaments. Come on, camera, get in there. Vintage Horrornaments. And on the front is a little bat against the orange moon. How freaking cool is that, man? That is so sharp. And like I said, these guys were like 10 bucks. It's like, what a steal. I thought that was awesome. The whole vintage vibe is super cool. And I even liked it on the black ribbon on top. It says Horrornaments. So that's awesome. Cool branding. Just super cool product. It's going to look great on the black tree. I can't wait to get these guys hung on there. The other vintage magnet I got, also wrapped in bubble wrap, which was, again, amazing that all the ornaments are protected, was the orange gentleman skull. That guy is just so cool, man. Look at the creepy face on that dude. And again, it's got the marking on the little black ribbon. It says Vintage Horrornaments on the back. So that's super sharp. So man, these two guys are a home run already. Look at that little awesome face. I mean, look how great that is. Especially against a black tree, I'm already over the moon with these guys. I don't know how I didn't order from them sooner, because I know I've seen the advertising all over the damn place. The one magnet I got was also super cool. I don't need a home loan. Okay, the one magnet I got, and I make magnets, which I thought was super cool, was the Cthulhu magnet. How awesome is this guy, man? That is just killer sharp. And again, he was in bubble wrap. Again, awesome. I love it. He's got two magnets on the back. Looks like neodymium magnets, so they're going to be super strong. But again, look at the face on that, man. Just killer product already, and I think it's some kind of resin, so I'm going to be kind of careful with him. I don't snap off any one of the little tentacles and stuff. But again, I'm a huge Cthulhu fan. Lovecraft, love his stuff. I'm through with basically everything I picked up. So here's a little Yeti. Look at him, he's 360. He's got a little silver cord on him. And he's holding a little icicle to go stab somebody in the head with. How freaking cute is that, man? And this guy, again, 360 detail. He's got little Horrornaments printed into his back again. So I think he's some kind of resin. He's a good weight. He's got the little Little bloody face, little bloody eyes. He's just super cool, man. I love Sasquatches and Yetis. I think it's super cool. Again, another home run ornament. I'm super happy. Bubble wrapped. Couldn't be happier. Here's a little shrunken head I got. Look at this little mug. How cool is that? That's just super cool. You guys know I love me my shrunken heads. Gotta have them. Gotta have more. If you got 20, get 25. They're super cool. Again, he's a 360 design. He's going to look awesome on the tree. And again, I think he's solid resin. He's a good weight to him. But again, great detail. Man, I love this guy. Another home run ornament. So far, can't lose with the company. That's awesome. Another one of the ornaments I picked out, which I thought I had 10. I bought 8, it looks like. So maybe I had 2 more in my cart or something. Or I don't know. Maybe I'm going to end up going back and get more now because I want to see what they put back at the next year. So look at this guy. Little creepy owl. He's got a little dead mouse in his beak. Come on, camera. Focus in. And again, he's a 360 magnet. Come on, camera. Get in there. Show that dead mouse. There we go. A little better. But yeah, he's 360 detail. He's got ornaments on his wing right there. He's got a little dead mouse in his little beak. How cool is that? So he's going to look awesome on the tree. Like I said, I think I've got another owl on the tree somewhere. Again, another home run magnet. Beautiful paint. Looks great. Super happy. I did order a spider, of course. You know, Cobwebs and Candlesticks. Cobwebs got to have him some spiders. And the spider did not come in bubble wrap, but he actually came in his own little styrofoam box. So how awesome is that? So I don't snap any little legs off this guy, storing them for the winter time. And again, he's 360 design. So those 8 little legs, little styrofoam there. He's got nice paint. And he's got a little silver hanging cord to hang him by. So again, just another great little detailed magnet. And again, like 12 bucks. You cannot beat the pricing for this company whatsoever. The last one I had, which I'm super excited about, but we also had a little casualty in shipping. We snapped off his little leg, which kind of sucks. So I'll super glue it because, you know, they went to the effort of wrapping everything in bubble wrap, but sometimes post office gets the better of you. So we got our little zombie turkey, which is phenomenal. Look at the little mug on that guy, man. You can see his little exposed rib cage on the bottom. He's got a little drumstick hanging out. Come on, camera. Look at that little mug. Look how awesome that guy is. He's got another exposed bone on his drumstick. I mean, look at the face on that guy. And again, I'm going to have to go back and glue his leg. I got his little footses right here, and then I'll touch him up. So, overall, not bad. I'm happy. I think it's a great company. I look forward to going back and shopping with them again. You can't go wrong. Ain't that right, little man? He's so excited. The 8 ornaments I got are 7 ornaments and 1 magnet. Man, you can't beat the quality. Everything is wrapped well, and damn do they ship fast. I'm in Indiana. These came out of, I think, Michigan. It's on the box. So it's awesome. So you guys get a chance, then go check out Horrornaments. I will link their website below. Go grab you some before the end of the year. Or maybe you can start getting them now for next Christmas. You can put them on your black tree or hang around the house, whatever. Awesome product. Everything's made well, packed well, ships fast, home run, double thumbs up. Thumbs up, little man, thumbs up. I love it. I'm going to go back and get more for next year to put on the black tree, and then we'll make some ornaments for next year. So that's it. That's my Horrornaments unboxing. I hope you guys dig. Like I said, I'll put the links below. You can go grab some for yourself. And until I see you guys next year, man, from me to you, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a safe and healthy, happy Christmas. From Cobwebs and Candlesticks. If you guys get your own ornaments, man, send pictures of Cobwebs and Candlesticks. I want to see these guys on your tree hanging out. And as always, I am just 1/3 of the Trio of Terror. Go check out my brothers in the Trio of Terror, Vic over at Monster Misfits, and Dave at the Weird Kid Show channel. Guys, we are constantly putting out videos year round. Halloween never stops for us. We've always got something in the works. So until I see you guys again next year, keep it evil. Thanks for watching. It's a zombie turkey. That's going to be so awesome. Ooh, zombie turkey. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, he's missing his foot. Goddamn post office, you savages.